Hey guys, we're doing the 14-15 NT box. Whatever number you end up is the card that you need. 10:02, 18 PM Melbourne time. Random live. Dice roll. We're going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yoink. Save that. There's a list. Random complete. There's a list below. I'll read it if you need to. Brendan 1, Corey. You can just read the list. Corey, Bots, Grant McDonald, MP, Grant, Jake, Bartley, Grant, Garth, Matt, Mercer, Bartley, Jake, Thomas, Marcus, Garth, Ashley, Brendan, Matt White, Aaron Mercer, White, Grant, Brendan, Grant, Garth, Corey, Ashley, Grant, Jake, Lane, Ashley, Danny Dunn, Garth, Jake, Nick Watson, Air Jake Harvey, Marcus Salott, Thomas Pilak, Dane Fountain, Marcus Salott, Thomas Pilak, Grant McDonald, Jake, Corey Leslie, Grant Daly, Aaron Mercer, Mick Ashton, Jake, Nick Watson, Jake, Bartley, Ashley Scott McMahon, Grant, Bartley, Watson, Air, Watson, Pilak, Lane, McMahon, Corey, Pilak, Paul Johnson, Marcus Salott, Adam Bartley, Marcus Salott, Grant McDonald, Mr. Holland, Stretch, Mick Ashton, Marco, Sean Hutchinson, Corey Leslie, Matt Fountain, Mick Ashton, Grant, Nick Watson, Jake, Paul Johnson, Matt White, Grant McDonald, Stretch Armstrong, Jason Hero, Grant, Thomas, Marco, Brendan, Stretch. And if there's any redemptions, I will random that between all. And that's all. Thank you very much.